you think you have to start to play defense? Right after the rebound, right after the turnover, right after we finish there, guys. They are scoring in the first 4 seconds.
Guys, two layups! They're giving you our defense, 2 layups in a row. Forget what happened the first quarter, okay? And be focused, continue playing. Seguimos jugando, seguimos bien. Tranquilos ahora.
Ganan. Vas a negar aquí este corte alto. Vas a defender duro, el 1 por 1. Defiéndelo duro.
Escucha, macho, venga. Yo sé que estás cansado, pero no podemos hacer otra cosa. Ya, no puedes hacer. Pues es lo que necesita el equipo, chato.
Primero, bloqueale bien. Si no, Derrick, no tenemos el entry, hombre. Que no estás de vacaciones. They play very hard. And Noah is Michael Jordan now. Michael Jordan. 3-point shot, rebound, everything. The ball goes here. And now he cuts over you. So this is intensity. You are tired. Sit down, guys.
The corner because there are short roll and this guy goes and we have the...
Somebody's in the corner already. Oh, you're in the corner. Okay. My fault. I know you went through. My fault.
If we don't make the shots, we need to keep playing defense. We are missing the shots, okay? Keep playing defense. Don't give up.